Hey guys, this is Abhishek here and welcome to my channel 24 by 7 Tech. Reliance has recently announced its DTH services by name Reliance Big TV on March 1st, 2018. To register for the same, you need to go to www.reliancedigitaltv.com and pay a pre-booking fee of Rs 500. Then within the next 30 to 45 days, the service team will come to your house with a DTH box and install the same, during which you need to pay another 1500 booking fee plus 250 installation charges. So totally you're paying 2250 for the first year. Under this scheme, Reliance is offering free 1 year access to all its free and HD channels. From second year onwards, you need to make a minimum recharge of Rs 300 per month for the next 2 years in order to get the refund of Rs 2000 you paid as the booking fee during installation. For the first year, you will get 500 plus free channels and total of 19 HD channels. And from second year onwards, you'll have access to the free channels, but you need to pay 270 plus amount depending on the particular pay channel package you select. The set-top box will support 1080p Full HD video resolution at a refreshing rate of 50 Hz. It will also support upscaling of the normal SD channels having 480p video resolution, and it will convert it into HD-like quality. There will be a dedicated YouTube button on the remote. The set-top box will come with a USB pendrive slot to play any external media. It will also support recording of any TV program. Plus, it'll have a program reminder feature so that you don't miss your favorite episode. The booking has already started on March 1st, 2018, but it may end anytime soon. The link to do the advance booking and toll-free number if you have any other doubt is in the description below. This may all sound like a very good deal, but is it actually? In my next video, I'll explain if it's really a worth deal to go with the Reliance offer. I hope this video was helpful to you. I aim to add more money-saving tech videos in the coming future. Do let me know in the comment section below if you have any clarifications regarding Reliance Big TV. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Hare Krishna.